After some time when we get water at a cost, so definitely we will value it. And because of this topic, one more question rises in my mind, that even after 75 years of independence, why we need freebies? So good evening everyone. My name is Satyam Thakur and I would like to introduce the topic freebies. So first of all, I would like to share what is freebies. So freebies is a thing that is offered by something to a group of people at free of cost. And in my point of view, freebies should not be there, because as we all know that India is having world's second largest population and we have very limited resources. So we should use our precious resources not at all at free. As we have very limited resources, so even we can offer some necessity things like medical facility, education facility, and basic needs facility at a cheaper rate instead of giving it free of cost. And another thing is that political parties are using freebies as a political agenda. They are offering freebies to attract the voters, so that voter can provide them votes easily. But we should not go towards such type of freebies thing, because as we all know that nothing is at free of cost. If someone is offering something for free, it definitely has cost. If someone is offering us something for free, so it will definitely increase the cost of any other thing, because everything is correlated. And another thing is that freebies also increases laziness among the people. Why? Because if someone is getting something for free, so he always wants that thing for free. And another thing is that if someone is getting, as I already mentioned, someone is getting something for free, he wants it free, but it also decreases its value. Because why? Because for instance, if as we are having water for free, so we are not valuing it. Everyone is like, many people are wasting water, but at a certain point, after some time when we get water at a cost, so definitely we will value it. And the thing is that currently, as we all know that Indian currency is falling day by day against the dollar, and because of this reason, its value is decreasing in the international market. So it will definitely badly affect our economy. And because of this topic, one more question rises in my mind, that even after 75 years of independence, why we need freebies? Why we are not capable to provide things at that cost? Why our people are not capable to purchase such type of things? So instead of giving freebies, we should offer employment opportunities to people. We should develop our country in such a way that everyone can get the thing at easily and everyone can afford the thing that they want. Thank you so much. This much from my side.